the last episode, I showed video how I traveled from Taipei main station on a minibus to some attractions of Taiwan like Liu Geopark, Golden Waterfall and Shifen Old Street. In this video, I'll show the other attractions I visited on that particular day. We had our short stop at Yin Yang Sea. Got my sneakers doing tricks. Hey, we riding real smooth, so smooth. California grooves. View of the sea from the viewing gallery. The unique feature of this sea is that it has two distinct colors. It is golden yellow and blue appearing side by side. It is caused by the normal blue of seawater mixing with mineral-rich water of the mountain. It offers a unique photo opportunity with the surrounding landscape. Rolling down the strip with the top peeled back. Sunshine beaming, yeah, the west where it's at. Palm trees swaying, cool breeze in the mix. Sidewalk popping, got my sneakers doing tricks. Hey, we riding real smooth, so smooth. California grooves. 13th floor ruins is an abandoned gold, silver and copper ore refinery. Check it out. Butts on the track got us feeling real good. Talkbox vibes bring the heat to the hood. We traveled next to Shifen Waterfall Park. Cypress trees wave, West Coast flavor that'll carry you for days. Oh, the ocean breeze, it calls my name. Seagulls and the sunset in this golden frame. That's right. Late night rhythm keeps it all so tame. So chill. West Coast dreams will never be the same. Ay, we riding real smooth. You know it. California grooves. Ooh, that's right. BBQ's fired up. Bring your crew. All day. Retro vibes is what we do. Rolling neon lights at the park. Rooftop chillin', blazing vibes in the dark. Sipping on that cold soda pop real slow. West Coast magic. This is Shifen suspension bridge. We walked to the suspension bridge to reach Shifen Waterfall Park. A small Hindu-Buddhist shrine with a collection of horse statues. Visitors try a bread rotting in this temple. Entry to the waterfall is free. This waterfall has total height of 20 meters and width of 40 meters. It has well-paved walkways. Here we found well-maintained restrooms. It is nicknamed as Little Niagara of Taiwan. Came back by the same suspension bridge to the bus. Our last stop was at Shifen Old Street, which was not far from the Shifen Waterfall. The tour company rightly advised us to bring umbrellas on the day. Found lot of food stalls like at the Shifen Old Street. Free fish samples were offered to us. She is selling chicken tail and pork rolls. Rail line is passing near the road. Reached the area near the red line, and this is the place for launching the sky lanterns. People often write their wishes, messages and prayers before releasing them into the heavens. Different color sky lanterns has different price tags. These sky lanterns work like single-use hot air balloon. The flame at the base heats the air inside, and as a result, the air density inside is lowered and it lifts the lantern and floats it into the sky. There is also one lantern temple nearby. This is the road leading to the lantern temple. We offered prayers at this temple and returned back to Taipei after the Daylong Trip.